The orbit of Neptune lies a vast band of icy material called the Kuiper Belt. It's made up of the leftover building blocks of the gas giant planets. Occasionally, chunks of this icy debris, known as comets, tumble into the inner solar system. Did such marauding comets bring water to the early Earth?
Comets are basically big, dirty snowballs. They're giant balls of ice that have rock, pebbles, gravel, dust embedded in them.
We think that comets are about 50% made of ice. So if you looked at everything in the solar system, trying to find a source for water on Earth, there's seemingly an obvious answer, and you'd look at comets.
Passing comets present some of the most spectacular sights in the night sky. As they approach the sun, the solar wind blasts water from the surface of these dusty snowballs, generating a bright tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. Today, comets are relatively rare visitors to the inner solar system, but 4 billion years ago, they were common, and Earth was in the firing line.
It's completely reasonable to expect that icy bodies from the outer solar system came inward and hit the Earth. How much of a contribution is the question.
Rocks dating to soon after the Moon formed prove the early Earth had vast oceans. But just how many comet impacts would it have taken to fill these seas? The answer is staggering.
Comets come different sizes, and if you take the run-of-the-mill average comet, it might take 20 or 30 million comets to make the Earth's oceans.
If millions of comets did bring water to the early Earth, they must have done it in a very short period, and just after the Moon formed. Astronomers scour the solar